Welcome to Good Food and Tours Jamaica. We are on the town and we have an exciting episode. We are by the Daypack supermarket where we have Miss Beryl, who sells a variety of stuff right beside the soup man. So Miss Beryl, what do you sell?
Irish mash, castor oil, honey, busy. We sell all types of roots. We sell loaded, we sell white roots, honey, everything, Dutch pot, everything.
So how did this start?
Well, let me tell you. Like one for the supermarket, they sell over there, and they run me from there, and they just said, come over here and listen. Nice man.
What a man nice!
He had bought that gentleman also. This is Daypack. Supermarket, Daypack. And we is K-pop.
Miss Beryl told us her story that she used to sell right across from the supermarket, but they ran her and they told her that she just couldn't sell there anymore. And that's when the owners of Daypack and K-Pack supermarket gave her the permission to sell right in front of the Daypack supermarket.
So how did you get into the business of selling all of these
I've been
Jamaican?
busy over the years, you know. I usually sell it to my mother in the market. And then from there I started bringing but I was sick for a while, so after that I come to the business.
When Miss Beryl was a child, she used to sell in the market with her mom. And that is how she got into this type of business.
Where do you get the Dutch pots from?
Kingston.
And a lot of Jamaicans, Mandeville people, they always want to find out where them can get sea mats from. Right here from Miss Beryl.
Most of our goods come abroad. New York, all around. England, all around the balance.
What kind of other herbs do you sell?
I have neem, Medicinal, I have rambutan, and I have strong back.
And here's the soup and your chicken.
Thank you.
That's right. You know you want it. Always that finger licking, you understand? Grandma thing, you understand? Up and running. Way up. That's it. Up and running and
Beryl gets her lunch from the 1 foot jerk man that jerks chicken right beside her. We previously did an episode on him. So after watching this, you can go ahead and watch the 1 foot jerk man episode.
Moringa seed. Fine stuff right here.
Chaney root.
You know how much people want to find Chaney root to buy?
Saucy pearl.
I know a lot of persons who always want to find these kind of herbs or roots or Jamaican food, and here is it. Here you have Miss Beryl that sells all of these stuff right and very near to anybody in Mandeville town. You do not have to walk all the way up in the market. You know, you can just come right here to Daypack supermarket. Wow. I get my sea moss from Miss Beryl and it's really good. I made a sea moss gel from it, and then I made my Irish moss punch. So here is another video that I've created that you can check out after watching this. Boy, may I tell you enough stuff, man. Anyway, back to the episode.
This is impressive, Miss Beryl. And you have the old Dutch fork and spoon and big.
So basically, Miss Beryl sells everything Jamaican. Everything that old time people would love, or everything that young people who have an old soul would love to get their hands on. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more exciting content. Please like this video, comment and share. The more you like my videos is the more YouTube will push them out, that more persons can view them. So please just press that like button, Bye. Take care. See you next time.